Right, Borodar, week 11, commencing the 16th of February. Let's get into it. Pulling up the calendar, Monday the 16th of March, headed up to the NEC to attend the photography and video show. Great show, first time I ever went. It was in London last year. NEC this year, a bit closer. Went there just to have a look around, check out some potential gear that I wouldn't mind getting some hands-on with it. There was 2 ultra-wide lenses that look banging, to be fair, which I'll put some footage on now, like just a bit quirky, like fancy some of those. I think one was a Viltrox and the other one was the Lauer 10mm. They both look tasty. And then also they had the Sony stand there, so there was a couple of talks on. So I attended one for Mike Wills, and I'm terrible to pronounce her name, Tija. Both great. I've met them before at like a UK shooters event, but they talked about like running a business and getting in contact with brands that potentially you want to work with. That was absolutely fantastic. I listened to them for about half an hour, but it was really insightful. It was just great to get out and about, something a bit different other than shooting. So that was Monday. Also had a quick call with a potential client doing some like food doc stuff, but nothing come of that. Tuesday, as always, daddy daycare. Love it. So on Wednesday, I had a big shoot preparing for it the week before and a couple of meetings leading up to it as well. It's a very corporate job. There was a lot of talking heads. I think we've done 8 talking heads about a business and then a bunch of B-roll then to finish off the day for this client. So that went really well. That was down in Swindon. Really enjoyed that. First time working with that client, got along with him really well. Thursday, I was filming with Alex again, the guy I do loads of properties for. We filmed a lovely farmhouse in the USK Valley, not far from Abergavenny. So done that, pretty much took that the whole day. And then we went to a pub, go through some footage that I shot previously a couple of weeks ago of some interview testimonials from his clients. We basically just like crunched it down and condensed like a 15-minute interview into short social bites. And then Friday, I had a Teams meeting with one of the agencies I work with in Bristol. Basically, they would like me to be more of a creative director for them. Pre-production, I do a lot of like storyboarding, coming up with shot lists, ideas, break it down. Had a meeting with them because they wanted to obviously elevate from what I kind of do now. So I had to put together a new pricing guide for that, which they're completely fine with. Other than that, I've done a bunch of editing, got some edits done from the previous week, some more long form content, whether they be like interviews for websites, so on and so forth. I say so on and so forth a lot. Anyway, got those done, sent those out, and yeah, that was pretty much that week wrapped up. Photography show, the beginning, a couple of shoots in the middle, some editing, job's a good one. Week 11, done. See you on the flip side. Bye.